Hey, before I start this video, I just want to say, you're all doing an awesome job. Keep it up.
No. Ooh, that's pretty. Come on, let's go.
Alright, so today I am making a wooden coffee mug that has a stainless steel insert so that you can keep your coffee nice and warm and hot. And yeah, but it's going to look really pretty with this beautiful piece of, I'm not sure what it is. I am sure, but I'm not sure. If that makes sense. No, it does. Sort of. No, it's actually a piece of a bottle brush, I think. Yes, it is a piece of Australian bottle brush. It has these beautiful eyes in it, in the wood, so I'm hoping that once I get this turned round, that they're still going to be there. I'll zoom in. Hang on, there they are. The pretty little bits of wood. It's actually a very, very nicely figured piece of wood. It's actually a crotch section, so there was a branch that went... Oh, hang on, let me zoom out. There's a branch that came out that way, and there's a branch that came out that way. And so I cut it down the middle, so we should have this nice figure from the wood here, from that crotch piece. And yes, it should be a very interesting piece once it's done. Here's praying I don't stuff it up. Time to drill a hole. Oh yeah. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. Cut the end off. Or cut it off the wheel. So, during lockdown, yes, New South Wales and Australia, most of the east coast of Australia is in lockdown because of COVID-19. I have got my Etsy store back up and running, and I am currently at the moment just making these keep cups. We have 16-ounce keep cups and we have 12-ounce keep cups. Ooh, that's a bit hard to say in one sentence. But yes, if you want to support me, yeah, the link to my Etsy store will be in the link tree link below. So hit that link down there, go to my Etsy store, help me out, buy some stuff off me. If you want to know what they are, this is mahogany and outside wood, I'm not sure, but it's really hard, so I'm guessing it's some sort of gum. That is black walnut from the first video that I did making a coffee mug. That's Huon pine. That one there is black, I don't want to say black poppy, it's not black poppy. I'll come back to it. That one is iron bark with the bark inclusion. There is it there. And that one is mahogany with resin and turquoise. That one again is black wattle and gold inlay for the holes. So yes, if you want to support me, that'd be fantastic. You don't have to, but it'll help out a great deal. These are available on my Etsy store, in my Etsy store down below. Now this step isn't exactly necessary, but I like to use it because I'm using Gorilla Glue. So yeah. About half an hour after gluing this up, and you see this. This is the expanding glue of the Gorilla Glue. I found this is okay. Let it all expand, and once it's done, then scrape it off. I find if you touch it now, you're going to make more of a mess than ever. So let this dry and then scrape it off. So focus, woo! Oh, focus, ooh, oh, you're coming back, good. Right, last thing I had to do was to stick the lid on so your coffee doesn't spill. Anyway, this was a beautiful, beautiful piece of bottle brush. At least I think it's bottle brush. Don't quote me on that. It is finished with ACK'S abrasive paste and ACK'S polishing paste. I believe they're still up and running. I'm going to check that out before I finish my editing. Anyway, and I'll leave a link to where you can buy their products. This will be available on my Etsy store. So, New South Wales is in lockdown because of COVID. And yeah, so instead of working full time, I get to be at home making pretty things. And yeah, I get to work on my online store. So yes, like you saw earlier in the video, that's now up and running. So yeah, if you want to support me and go and buy my products, I thank you for doing so. Yeah, like I said, I didn't say earlier, the reason why I like using the Gorilla Glue is it adds that bit of insulation between the insert and the wood. And what's really good about that is it keeps your contents hot and it doesn't stop. It stops the wood from drying out too quickly and cracking and stuff like that, because Gorilla Glue is heat resistant. So yes, it adds that extra layer, and also it doesn't smash if you drop it. If that was hollow, I would be worried that it'd fall on the ground and go and yeah. So with the Gorilla Glue, it doesn't do that. Anyway, that's me done for another week. I will see you all very soon. Stay awesome. Remember to be awesome, because guess what? You all are awesome. I'll see you very soon. Bye.